Welcome to our YouTube video on the secrets to earning a full-time income on Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular platform for freelancers to showcase their skills and earn money online. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. In this video, we'll share some valuable secrets and strategies to help you turn your Fiverr gig into a sustainable and profitable business. Before we dive into the secrets, it's important to note that achieving a full-time income on Fiverr requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work. Now, let's explore the secrets to success on Fiverr. Secret 1. Specialize and differentiate yourself. To stand out from the competition, it's essential to specialize in a specific niche or service. Identify your unique selling points and emphasize them in your gig description. By offering specialized services, you'll attract clients who are specifically looking for your expertise. Secret 2. Optimize your gig titles and descriptions. The titles and descriptions of your gigs play a crucial role in attracting potential clients. Use relevant keywords, highlight the benefits of your services, and clearly communicate what sets you apart. Make sure your gig descriptions are informative, engaging, and well-structured. Secret 3. Offer high-value packages. Instead of focusing on low-priced gigs, consider offering high-value packages that reflect the quality and expertise you bring to the table. By providing comprehensive and premium packages, you'll attract clients who value quality over price. Secret 4. Provide exceptional customer service. Exceptional customer service is key to building a strong reputation on Fiverr. Respond promptly to client inquiries, maintain clear and open communication, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your services to others. Secret 5. Showcase a stellar portfolio. Your portfolio is a powerful tool to showcase your skills and build credibility. Include high-quality samples of your work that demonstrate your expertise and highlight successful projects. Regularly update your portfolio to showcase your most recent and impressive work. Secret 6. Build a strong online presence. Utilize social media platforms and other online channels to promote your Fiverr gigs and engage with your target audience. Share your work, provide valuable insights related to your services, and actively participate in relevant communities. Building a strong online presence will help attract clients to your Fiverr profile. Secret 7. Request feedback and reviews. Positive feedback and reviews are crucial for building trust with potential clients. After completing successful projects, kindly request feedback from clients and encourage them to leave reviews on your profile. Positive reviews will enhance your credibility and attract more clients. Secret 8. Continuously learn and improve. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, techniques, and tools related to your services. Invest in your professional development through online courses, workshops, and certifications. By continuously learning and improving, you'll enhance the value you offer to clients. Secret 9. Leverage Fiverr's promotional tools. Fiverr offers various promotional tools to help you boost your visibility and attract clients. Take advantage of features like promoted gigs, gig extras, and Fiverr Pro to increase your chances of earning a full-time income. Secret 10. Stay committed and persistent. Earning a full-time income on Fiverr takes time and perseverance. Stay committed to delivering exceptional work, building your reputation, and refining your skills. Keep learning from your experiences, adapt to market changes, and remain persistent in pursuing your goals. By applying these secrets to your Fiverr journey, you'll increase your chances of earning a full-time income and creating a successful freelancing career. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.